Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another ECM repair, this time in a Nissan Xterra 2007. This was sent to me by Chris Herring from Texas. I have a good description here which I want to read because he's a very nice and kind person. I'm going to start with, in order. Hello, Mr. Salazar. My name is Chris Herring. We spoke on the phone on June 3rd about my '07 Nissan Xterra. I'm a huge fan of your YouTube channel. Your setup is amazing. At best, I am an intermediate novice when it comes to electronics. Watching your work makes me feel like a toddler with a fork in a toaster. Well, yes, I am. I know that sometimes this feels overwhelming, but there's a lot of equipment, but and years of experience. But uh, I started the same way. I love electronics, so thank you, Chris. As we discussed over the phone, I have done as much as troubleshooting as my skills will allow. And as a rookie does, I threw parts of the problem hoping something will stick all the while. Knowing deep down it was the ECM. At least now I have extra cam and crank position sensors, a new Think Diag 2 OVD scanner, test line, multimeter oscilloscope combo. Well, yes, it's good that you have bought some tools. I mean, it's always nice to have, especially if you like electronics, to have all that. Luckily, I didn't get scanned by flagship one like so many others have. Anyways, all right, so this is the information from the Nissan. He said, please let me know either by phone or text or call, email to the status of my CN and how the process uh, to process your fee. I really appreciate your time and effort. Good sir. Thanks, Chris. Uh, he also put a note in there. You mentioned something about a special discount since I'm a subscriber of your YouTube channel. The kindness means a lot. I would like to pay your standard rate if you will be willing to pass that generosity on to the next deserving customer. Hopefully, it helps someone in their time of need. The ripple effect from a single act of kindness can echo through eternity, shaping the hearts and minds of future generations. That is so beautiful. Thank you, Chris, and I will. Thank you, thank you. I always like to help the people, the person that is in need. So if you ever send something and you are struggling, you're in a deep hole or something like that, please let me know. My Salazar Diagnostics is here to help you as persons as with great heart and kindness, like Chris Herring, that he's putting his discount onto the next customer. So thank you, Chris. That means a lot to me too. I also believe in karma. I believe in the power of love shared from one to another. So thank you so much. All right, going back into the repair or the test. I have Chris connected to for this. I have already rigged a connector specifically for these computers. You will see that in any other videos. I have multiple on the Xteras. So the first thing that I want to see is a 5-volt reference. This is multimeter is connected to the 5 volts in the sensor ground, and I have a test light in here as the fuel pump relay will activate, which normal when you power on a computer. So let's power this on. Okay, no fuel pump, and we have a low voltage coming out for the sensor. So this is strike one. The next thing that we want to do, so this is backing up Chris's diagnostics. So yes, it's definitely the computer, no doubt about it, because we have no car here, right? So I'm going to do an auto scan. This computer is a 2007, so this should be a CAN bus computer, and it should communicate no problems at all after or, with the scanner. For this, I'm using the top-down Phoenix Max, and this has the MCDI Pro, which is wireless, and I have it, I guess, in there so it's not cluttering my desk. But yeah, so we do have no communication. So we can see this again as strike two. Hopefully, we don't have a strike three and it cannot be repaired. I have pretty much 100% success rate. I expressed that to Chris, so please just send it over. I will fix it. But it's always that one, right? So I can never say never. So let me perform the normal repairs, which in this case I will be replacing voltage regulator, cam transceivers, capacitors, diodes, and resolder the board as I normally do, and then come back with the test. I have explained in depth all these repairs in other videos, so I will put the playlist of the Xteras on the description of these videos if you want to know more about this, about connections, pinouts, and everything. So I don't make this video too long, which is already many of my own in there with all the information. All right, so just I just left it here so we know that this is Chris. All right, so let me perform the repairs and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I just finished the repairs on Chris' computer. Let's power up first and make sure that we get the fiber reference and the fuel pump prime. Okay, that's a good sign. And we got the fiber reference, so that's definitely a good sign. All right, so let's do the auto scan, which will be the next last digits of the B number will be 544567. Again, 544567 to be a 2007 Nissan Xterra S. Takes a little longer to communicate here because the scanner is looking for all the modules, but that's a good sign. 2007, 544567. All right, Chris, your computer is 100% repair. The proof is in the pudding. We got everything now working 100%. All right, so I'm going to seal this back, contact you, collect payment, and send this your way tomorrow morning. Today is Sunday. Yes, I work pretty much all days. I actually feel this is like my release of a stress, working in my lab and enjoying working on electronics and sharing all this information with all of you. I really, really enjoy this. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.